days mga presentator, kung di daw ka mamakmak tanan. Anong pakpak sa nakakaulog pa ni hapon? Kinamusgan ka siyang pakpak! Uy, ano, nabi ka na, huwag yun yung makpakay. Wala, uy, naka-brick house na tingalin eh. Wala makapakpak. Anak. Yes, so these were ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome. Today's presentation goes to the family of Jai. Can I request the music, please? Rose, kung talaga ito ay balik ka sa music. Basta may music, honey. Ako'y kanta? Kasi pamulit yung yes. Can I request the music, please? And of course, prepare the music for Paraulia. Ayan! So are you ready, everyone? Wow! I think everyone is much ready. They already practiced this one for almost 5 years. Shamu, actually, magtarong i-represent ko na. Ladies and gentlemen, the family of Eliza Shea. Wala ba kayo mga kamay dyan? Pakpak! Ayan, thank you so much. And at this one, ladies and gentlemen, additional presentation all the way from Crystal. Nakakapasibang pakpak si Crystal. Crystal Kyrie Totelius. Lihabigin akong dakong tao na si Crystal. Nakalimot ko kang very cute man eh. Ladies and gentlemen, tagatong masibang pakpak, Crystal! Lupigan ang mga sangko. Lupigan ang mga kuya. Dance showdown. Asa magirigala na ko bata ha? Ha? Asang mama ng bata? Tuwa sa Purilia? Okay, igsoon ang pagkakantay. Ako sa kanya. Asin mo ginahan? Go, Lord. Asin mo ginahan? Okay, wala na liwat. Wala na liwat sa inahan eh. Okay, alam mo ka diya. Kailangan mo malayo present. Relax na ka diya. Okay, so these are ladies and gentlemen, we have a next dance presentation all the way from the sister of Eliza. Tagatong masibang pakpak. Ladies and gentlemen, Ariane Chen. Ayan, wala ba kayo Ayan, wala ka mga kamay dyan. Back to Ariel. And the backup dancer. Alright. Okay, thank you so much. And I think that's all for the presentation for tonight. And at this one, ladies and gentlemen, everyone, we also proceed here for our A10 Bluebills. A10 Bluebills, please prepare all your blue nanny out there. And once you have that wine, you can also give to our debutant. I request Sir Jaime, it will be pin or only for giving? Pin. Okay. So our birthday celebrant will stay on the front area. Thank you. Yes, our A10 Bluebills, ladies and gentlemen, the first of our A10 Bluebills is Miss Jennifer Diaz. Wala pa kayo mga kamay dyan, pakpakay, wala talaga yung blue lang eh. You can pin that one lower lang po dyan. Okay. And if after your pinning, you can take a pictures. Ayan, thank you so much. And of course, our A10 Bluebills, you can also have a wish and wishes for. And of course, the next is Juanito. Si Juanito. Dalang babae na si Juanita. Oh, just wait lang po, sir. I will give a chance. Thank you so much, Miss Isabel. Next is Juanito. You can say happy birthday and congratulations messages to our debutant. Thank you so much. Next is Maria Jordan Libres. Proceed for the... Wala. Sunod wala. Okay, next, Miss Yovila Sherajan. Nakakapasipaw ka pa. And of course, we'll prepare Miss Cizelle Ayton. Thank you so much, madam. Pictures mo. Puasa ka na yung mamagagas ko karoon namin yung chayatan di mo. Prepsi. Pictures na daw, mama. Dagan ang pictures. Hindi na mabalino. Thank you so much. Our next is Miss Janet Oy Sumatra. Desiree Duterte. And of course, please be careful during your eating kasi macros ko na. Thank you so much. And next is Miss Desiree. Desiree is here. Ah, si Mama gihapon. Lagatong siya ni mong Mama yung time. Gimana? Masa ka na? Ingat ka, waiter? Ingat na? Thank you so much. Next is Ayan Abraham. Next is Jolito Tiliosa. Oh, kani kayo magdagan na makaprot-ako dyan eh. Ayan, thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. Picture po, sir. Picture. Next is Visita Palomo. Ay, sagura pa rin bulan sa loob ka kung Christmas. Thank you so much, Madam. Up next is Mary Joyce Maria. Even though you have your presence is the number one gift sa tuwa, give it on. Thank you so much, everyone. Next is Miss Juliet Deliosa. Ito ka na, may kwarto si Mami. Iyahan naman na lagi. Di ba, Nana? It's okay. And of course, thank you so much, Miss Juliet. Next is Kim Oyang Corin. Wala. Proceed to the next. Mr. Raymond Dalas. Contact, sir.
This is birthday, Liza. Prefer na ko Liza kay 18 of happy birthday. Embrace modality with responsibility and accountability. Yeah, kani ako hang Trish Global Day since naho ang Korea. Patuon na ako Korea. Pagbuo ko Philippine Airlines na sa promo ite-atron ang balance ani imuhang allowance pag total sa dito. Happy birthday and enjoy being 18.
Sana all. Oh. Ang kami ako naihanap ni Sir is 18 kabuok na blue bills. Naguna-una ako kagamay sa iyo. Sundaran niya. Isuso ko mo ba so check it ito. Ayan, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sir Raymond. Next is Marjorie Israel. Ayan, thank you so much. Next is Jocelyn Gula. Miss Jocelyn, are you still there? We'll proceed for Miss Joyce Queenie Garzota. Ayan. Bakit yun? Wala yung ikano ni mo ng bata. Ayan. Picture. Smile. Ayan, ibalahon na niya. Kagitay yung mga kulas sa kanina. Ayan, thank you so much, Miss Joyce Queenie Garzota. Ano tagal mas di magpapakalo ang mga blue bills. And of course, all our blue bills, please all set and have your pictures here. Dagang salamat. Okay, Ada Bluebills, please all stand. Ayan. Okay, everyone, take your beautiful smile. It's 3, 2, 1, go. Waki! Then waki yun ka, mga waki. Uy, di ba, Chibina? Ayan. Thank you so much, and that's all for our rated Bluebills. Rated Bluebills symbolize also some money. That is money as we're helping for upcoming planning and future sa tuwa debutante. And of course, at these school, ladies and gentlemen, everyone, we also proceed here for our rated candles. And of course, our rated candles will do this first is Rhea May, Rhoda May, Kiona, Cassie, Maureen Chong, Giselle, Jamil, Christine, Kaya, Ellen May, Isaris, Lovely, Joyce, Valoria, Audrey, Dion, Natalie, Nina, Emme, Shari, Eliana, Jasmine, and Ariane Jane. Please take your line there on the side. Para diretso na mo sa mic. Now please light your candle. Maybe we borrow the lighter po, sir. Atong si Sir Karina. Thank you po. Take your line. And the first, we'll do this one. This is take wishes and messages para sa mga dibilan. The short is the meaningful, but you want to ask a message, it's okay. And these will, ladies and gentlemen, nakatagmasing pakpakpak are 810 candles. Pakpak ang talan. Ayan. Thank you so much. And of course, our 810 candles symbolize to light the path all the way for the coming future plan for force or debutante Eliza J. Ladies and gentlemen, Rhea May Lenuta.
May your wishes be carried out with hope, and may your wishes be carried with hope and fulfilled beyond your dreams. Take care always, and I love you, John.
Ayan, thank you so much. We'll proceed next is Rhoda May Lenuta.
Happy birthday, Ate Jai. May all your dreams come true. Stay pretty and kind. Take care always. I love you.
Ayan, di ba? Ito si mapapap si Rhoda May. Please, everyone, girls, please, careful sa iyong hair ha. Kaya kasi mauna mo, masunog ang buhok ha. Forward lang, naman. And next is Kiona.
Which marks the beginning of marathons and all the incredible adventures that come with it. May your path ahead be filled with joy, love, and endless opportunities, especially as you are in college. Embrace every moment and continue to shine as brightly as you always have. Wishing you all the best on this special day always. Happy birthday.
Ayan, thank you so much.
ago.
Hindi mo ka model sa kanang Julie Spania. Yeah. Nandito ako sa kalendar. February 2012 then ang nakabutang ko yun is sharing is caring. Then sa kanto, kay mo ako nga, dili rapan pagkaon na ba share with each other kung dili ato ang secrets, failures, success, impacts and thoughts sa kung gabi. Kawan si Bijig ko Thank you, Jai, for being our good ally, our very supportive cousin, and our best friend that we can always count on. Thank you for supporting me always, and know that I will always give the same support to you as you enter adulthood, most especially as you make your decisions in life. We are always proud of you for who you become because we know the struggles that you face, and I pray that you'll always keep that humble personality of yours. I wish you all the best in life, Jai, because I know that you truly deserve it. Happy birthday, and I love you.
Ayan, thank you so much. Ako naman sa sige pakaon mo eh. Okay, thank you so much. Up next is Giselle.
Good evening, everyone. First, I want to wish a happy birthday to the lovely Bravita. Jai, thank you for bringing light into our world. You are like a sun that brightly shines with your bright smile, contagious laugh, and warm hugs. Words can't describe how thankful I am to have someone like you, a best friend who is bonded by blood. And I am so lucky to find a soul who's as pure and as soft as yours. Jai, I have always admired your kindness, your cheerfulness, and positivity. And may you always continue to shine brightly like the diamond that you are tonight. May you achieve all of your heart's desires and dreams. And I wish you all the happiness in the world. I am always here when you need me, and I love you so much. I have loved you since the day we shared the same surname. Again, happy birthday and welcome to adulthood.
Ayan, thank you so much. Giselle, next is Jania.
Happy 18th birthday sa pinakatabong ko sa Barkada, sa City Sinangkalan. Thank you for being a good friend since we were kinder. May your life be filled with endless adventures and lots of good experiences as you step into adulthood. Wishing you a 18th birthday filled with tons of love, Jai. May you always find the courage to pursue your dreams. Happy birthday.
Ayan, thank you so much, Janelle. Next is Christine.
Happy 18th birthday, Jai. May all your wishes and dreams come true. And always find the courage to pursue. Hinumduming and naaram na yung balis kami nga para nito. Good luck sa inyong journey sa college pa mga
Thank you so much, Christine. Next is Kia.
Welcome to Legality, Jai. Your special day is very important to me. Saying welcome and pamilya. I always have time for you. My wish is to grab opportunities that will come to you, and I wish that perseverance to live your life to the fullest.
Thank you so much. And next is Farah.
Happy birthday, Jai. I just wish you an absolute life and live your life to the best.
Ayan, thank you so much, Miss Farah. Next is Miss Lovely Johns.
Happy birthday, Jai. Thank you for being part of our unbreakable circle since we were in kindergarten. Everyone knows that you are a kind girl and a responsible daughter. Thank you sa pag-welcome ng Kanunay every night, ang overtime, and also taught your and Uncle Jaime. Thank you for the never-ending support towards us. Thank you sa pag-prepare ng mga Kanunay sa breakfast and for taking good care of us. And for taking good care of us like mga anak ninyo. I wish you and your family the very best in life and more blessings from above, Jai. Good luck to the environment and to your home. Happy birthday and welcome to Legality. We love you.
Ayan, thank you so much, Lovely. Next is Audrey.
Hi, Jai. Happy 18th birthday. Ikaw dito masuot ang mag-dress. Kaya ikaw ng papa dito kakaon hindi mag-dress. Today's your special day as you embark on another chapter in your life. May your day filled with love, kindness, and may your all wishes come true. And enjoy happy birthday. I love you.
Ayan, thank you so much, Audrey. Next is Adia Natalie.
Hi, Jai. Happy birthday. Now that you're 18, you can now choose your own path and decision in life and stay who you are. Good luck in your new journey as an adult. Love you always.
Ayan, thank you so much, Adia. Next is Nina Raiden.
Happy birthday, Jai. Thank you for the wonderful friendship, for being my best buddy, especially during our senior high school years. Kauban sa CR, doon sa canteen, and kauban sa chismis, of course. Thank you for always being there when I need you. May God continue to bless and guide you now happy na tayo college. Happy 18th birthday, Jai. We love you.
Ayan, thank you so much, Nina. Next is Ellie Sophia.
Happy birthday, Ate Jai. As you step into a chapter of adulthood, may your life be filled with joy and success. I hope that you will achieve your dreams, and then since 18 na ka, adult life is starting and there awaits more serious responsibilities to come, so I wish you good luck with that. Do what makes you happy lang, and remember that it's okay to enjoy your present as much as you want, as long as you don't destroy your future. Don't let anyone or anything let you down, and be confident lang always. Stay pretty, kind, and smart. Most importantly, stay true to yourself.
Thank you so much, Emily. Next is Shari. Pictures na. Hollywood na ka. Pictures na ka.
This day is not just a day, but it is your special day. As time has gone, you're now a beautiful lady. I am forever grateful having you as one of my genuine friends. Best friend, brother. As we share laughter, chit-chat, chit-chat, laughs, even answers. And also, we share special memories. All of those will always have a special place in my heart. We, your friends, will always be here to support and help you as who you are. And good luck to your new journey as a freshman. Aim high, Jai. Before I end this speech, I wish you a lifetime happiness, love, and shining future. May God bless you always. May all your wishes and desires come true. happy 8th birthday. Wish you all the best and enjoy your special day. Alam niyo, Jai, mo mga sa akin.
Ayan, thank you so much, Shari. Next is Aliana.
Hi Jai, happiest 18th birthday. May favorite katuwa sa KTV sa fun time and mali siya yung pinakaalan mo kanta naman 5. We're so happy and grateful to have you as our favorite ka-chikahan, ka-chismisan, and ka-tiktok sir. And remember, we're always here for you. Ka-chikahan is not a problem. Wishing you another year full of love and may all your wishes happiest birthday again. May God bless you.
Ayan, thank you so much, Aliana. Next is Yasmin.
Good evening, everyone. Hi, Jai. Happy birthday. Wala ko tayo na say, but it is such an honor to be here tonight to be invited and be one of your 18 candles. Know that habang kayo po nagkainan ka and became friends. As your ate, okay lang, I wish for you but all the best in life. And also, happy 18th year that's as bright as a smile, Jai. Just stay who you are and the yung goals you achieve. Pray on God and put God in the center. May your journey into adulthood be as vibrant as your aspiration. We are always here for you. Enjoy and welcome to the gallery. But before that, as you know, Ellen is not present tonight, but send me a message and here it is. I will read it for you. Happy 18th birthday, Jai. Sorry if dili ko kadong karon, pero hintuing dili man ko present on site, but present man ko at heart. I may not know what you're going through, but keep in mind that God has a plan for you. Wala pa lang kakabalo sa inyong buhaton, nakahibalo na siya o una. I cannot express how much I'm grateful to God for your life, Jai. Here's to more chit-chats and good times ahead. May your year be filled with awesome and unforgettable moments. Wishing you all the happiest birthday ever. Padayon, Jai, we love you.
Ayan, thank you so much, Yasmin. Up next is the sibling, Ariane Jane.
Hi there. Happy birthday to you, my cat's body, aka my elder sister, who is no less than me when it comes to being banaan and sumugan. You're officially an adult now, but don't worry, you still have plenty of time to act like a kid towards me. To this girl who made growing up feel like a complete battlefield, always remember that growing up is mandatory, but growing old is optional. So keep a stash of candies for emergencies and never lose your inner child or your outer silliness. May the rest of your day be filled with laughter, love, and a mountain of presents. Or at least a hill. You know, I was thinking back, how boring would my life be without you in it? But in all seriousness though, because there's no one to fight with, there's no one to pick on, there's no one whom I'll do TikTok with, there's no one to chika about random topics, and to be honest, I don't think someone can handle my personality as good as you can. Well, really not perfect, but I know you're trying. And we used to and still do fight like cats and dogs, but I still think with you. I know you're a good sister. Again, happiest birthday and enjoy the rest of this day. I love you.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ariane Jane. Talagang masipang papa. Alam mo, wala naman yung matulog ka ng mga bisita. Pakpak sa bigla. Ayan, thank you so much for extending, Ariane. Well received for our 18 candles. Please all stand. Can I have your t-shirts, please? Thank you. Then study, it almost time for this kind of celebration. Just wait everyone because I will give a chance for the lovely people that so say thank you to each of you here. Ayan, and that's all for our aides and nanos. Sa ganda natin silang masipang papa. Thank you so much. And please always show my request Eliza to take it downstairs. We'll proceed for the wine, toasting for the legality. Sir, can you open? Asa po si Daddy? Okay, katong walay mga, walay wine, walay drinks sa tables, you can use your glass. And everyone, let's all stand up. Let us have a legality for our TV time, Eliza J. And of course, I request the one and only father sa ato birthday celebrant, Sir Jaime, to take the gratitude to chair. Cheers. Okay, maybe we'll proceed for Auntie Eden to take the legality. Everyone, please all stand up. Thank you. Oh, pasa. Baliw magpasa for the senior citizen. Forward. O dili mo ganahan na i-proceed sa itong mga last time. Okay, halika dili na. And of course, everyone, remain steady. Use your glass. Empty with water, with cold, or with soft drinks or whichever. Just raise it to wine if Auntie Ma'am Eden will have a cheers for legality. Ladies and gentlemen, ito masipang papa, si Ma'am Eden.
Hi, good evening everyone. Magpasalamat lang in behalf of the family. I would like to thank everyone who actually nihatag jud time nangyari diri Sunday's Family Day, but yet niari jud mo ni exert of effort, may gasto o panahon o sa pagkain sa birthday ni Jai Jai. And Eliza, you must be happy, you must be grateful with your Papa Jaime and Mama Arlene na gihatagan siya kag Bibo as kanang lindot kay ngani, wala siya ko kakilaw ni ngani before. And Mato salamat, and also thank you sa our very beautiful and very lively host sa tanang classmate ni Jai Jai, sa mga everyone, tanang everyone, thank you. And for gagapakukudi ko, kay kubaan ko, so sige si Raymond Biani yung pa. Ako po naman doon, so sige. Turning 18 marks the beginning of a more challenging life as you are now starting to decide which path you are going to take. As you embrace adulthood, be responsible in every action that you are going to take, Eliza. Take accountability always. Always always pray for guidance from our Almighty Father. And even though wala na kasi mong legal na punuhay, but remain obedient to your parents. Respect them all the time and maintain si mga well-being. So, happy 80th birthday, Eliza. Cheers for new beginnings and exciting journeys ahead. Cheers!
And now, cheers for legality! Wow! Yeah! And again, thank you so much, everyone, of course, for coming and celebrating. And of course, your presence is number one gift of our lovely future. Go, Eliza, it's your time to 3 in 1. Ayan! Grabe, mas masama yung tubig. Thank you so much. And please want to take your seat, everyone. I will give a chance, of course, to our giving time to remain here. Our giving time, tagatong basipang papang si Eliza. Mo'y muhanta gamay siya mga mensahe para ninyong tanan. Again, one more, pakpak.
Good evening, everyone. I hope na busog na og na-enjoy mo. Thank you kayo ninyo for being here with me. Your presence has made this celebration truly unforgettable. To my family, thank you for your endless love and support. Mama, Papa, Joy, Dudong. Thank you so much sa inyong effort to make this day possible. To my best friends, classmates, cousins, aunties, uncles, thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you sa everyone who helped to make this event successful, especially Auntie Eden, Daddy Raymond, Migis, Auntie Badet, Mama Lol, Mama Elsa, and Papa Lian. I feel so blessed to be surrounded by such amazing people. Tonight has been a dream came true, and it wouldn't have been the same without each and every one of you. So thank you so much. That's all.
Ayan, kaya naman si Pagpagpag sa pagbalik! Thank you so much, of course, our lovely Newton. And of course, thank you so much, everyone, for coming and celebrating the birthday of Eliza. And again, we'd like to say thank you so much to Jaime, of course, for inviting me here to be part of this celebration. And of course, I'd like to say thank you so much, Reyna's in Heaven and Garden Restaurant, for our reception and food for tonight. And of course, I'd like to say thank you so much to our 18 candles. Ayan, thank you. 18 roses, 18 treasures, 18 bluebills, and all our guests for tonight. This is your host, Jessamine Giliana, signing off. Maayong gabi. Amping sa paguli. God bless you more, and see you next birthday party. And of course, everyone, additional thank you for our official photographer. Thank you so much, Kuya. There's also my team. Thank you so much. And of course, our DJ here from Reyna's. Thank you so much, bud. And thank you for all the crew of Reyna's, for all the very overwhelming kayo ngayong pag-presence sa mga guests. Dagang kayong salamat, crew of Reyna's.